Hey there, Cancer, let's see your love reading. Okay. So the main energies are the Ten of Cups and the Seven of Cups. Now we're gonna see the past, present and future. Okay, in the past we have the string. Let's clarify the string. The string again. And the Six of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. It feels like you've been happy with yourself, like you've been happy with your life, with your work, your projects, and you didn't engage in anything emotional actually. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups. The Emperor, yeah, you're in your power. With the Ten of Cups, you're okay, you are feeling just fine. And you are kinda in a position of defending yourself. You are not really open to let someone just come over and rock your world. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Ten of Cups again. And Hermit and Three of Wands. It's like if you were questioning yourself if you should go for it or not. Like you're seeing your options. You're on your own. You're on your own, like watching the possibilities from a distance and evaluating if you should go for it. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups. The Two of Wands and the Six of Cups. This card, the Knight of Cups, is a card related to someone with a romantic energy, ready to engage in love. And you have the Two of Wands. Which is choosing expansion, is choosing to he has structure and he's like looking to the future, but still have this. You have the Six of Cups, which is a card of the past, of memories, of and you have the Tower. So I feel like something is going to happen suddenly, out of the blue, without you noticing it. So in the present you have the Judgment, which is a card of changing, transformation, the planning for the future. Yeah, maybe that is about this decision. Let's clarify it. Okay, this is it. King of Pentacles. This is related to Taurus. It's a grounded king and a bit materialistic though, but it's a just king. So maybe you have placements in Taurus, or you just embodied the energy of the of Taurus. When it comes in love, yeah. Taurus is not really emotional. He doesn't really put the guard down so easily. Yeah, it's like you are analyzing the situation and what you have around, the possibilities, the offers that you may receive. So here you have the Six of Cups again. It's like you miss someone. Are you afraid that if you open yourself again, that you might get hurt? Let's clarify the Six of Cups. Yep, defending yourself, defending your emotions, your stability. But this is going to end pretty soon because you have again the Tower on the bottom. So something is going to shake your world. It might be a Virgo, a Gemini. Let's clarify the Moon. Five of Swords, Five of Wands. Defeat. So you might be defeated in this guard of yourself. Like someone can get into your emotions, get into your heart, and your guard will fall. Let's see another card for the Moon. Nine of Pentacles and the Sun. The Nine of Pentacles is a card about fulfillment, so, and the Sun is like a really good omen for the situation. So maybe you just have to put your guard down and enjoy. On the bottom of the deck there was like the Three of Cups, which is about celebration, and the Empress, which is which is a card about creation, about oh, I'm skipping the word. One second. Let's see if I can remember. Yeah, fertility. and abundance. And so then you have the Hangman, which I think is your positioning about opening yourself to your emotions, to let people in, and the Lovers. This is a really good omen for you. Let's see which message we have for you in the oracle. Bare Essentials, The Naked True, Wholeness, Purification, Fire. Number 14. And you have here Eternal Love, Happiness, Harmony, and Fulfillment. Yeah, fulfillment. The 9. As I said, let's read this message on the purification. What is it that your heart truly desires? What do you perceive is missing in your life? In order to find the answers, you must look inside your heart. You already know this, but have been reluctant to look because a part of you fears what your heart is trying to tell you. The only way forward is to face your fear. Something in your life is not working out as you would have liked, and it's not going to get any better unless you have the courage to face it. Close your eyes and relax. Imagine a beautiful flame warming your heart and soul. Feel its purifying and healing light burning away your fears and doubts, healing your body and mind, and clearing away your obstacles, either imagined or real. Feel your heart center as an endless space full of only love and light. Feel the peace. You are safe in this eternal space of light. Now, what is your heart saying? When it brings a tear to your eye, you'll know that it is your truth. Your soul will guide you towards happiness. All you need to do is follow, trust. Let's see if you have another message from this deck. Three, okay. Face reality or live in fucking La La Land. Choose bravely. Okay. You are giving away your power. Winning. Oh, and fuck fear. Okay, Cancer, this is it. Thank you so much. If you like it, click on the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.